I'm very good, thank you.
Welcome to Indonesia. I want to take a moment, first of all, on behalf of the millions of football fans in this country, to say that we are absolutely honored and thrilled to have you joining our Timnas Indonesia and for us to be able to introduce you to everyone here today.
Fantastic, thank you very much. And I see this kind of images explaining everything, also about my team. I'm really grateful to have this opportunity, and I will do the best what I have in my mind to achieve our goals. As everybody saw, the players are on the same line. My team is on the same line, and we're going to go for it. So that's a thing that I can promise.
All right. We'll get into the X's and O's in a little bit, but first, you came and arrived in Indonesia yesterday.
Yes.
We saw the images on social media. There was a huge crowd here to welcome you. What was the first impression that you got when you first arrived here to that sort of a welcome?
Well, we came out of the airplane, and all of a sudden it was easy, with a few people around us to protect us. And we walked around, and when we came towards the exit, there it started. We came out, and all the people came out and jumped towards us. And you know, I love the passion, what I said also in the video, and it dedicates also and to see how the spirit is here in Indonesia. And I'm very grateful to get my philosophy back to the people.
Absolutely. So a lot of enthusiastic fans, but luckily they gave you time to arrive at your hotel. You checked in.
Yeah.
Had yourself a big meal, I heard, yesterday night?
Yes, we had quite a big meal. I love the food though, so that's no problem. And I can't complain.
Okay, we do know that the Dutch culture and Indonesian culture are very much entwined. Probably not your first time having Indonesian food, so no big surprises for you so far.
No big surprises.
Glad to hear it. So you've been here now this weekend, and let's just get right into it. Congratulations on being here. You're now signed on a 2-year contract with a 2-year option as well to extend. Now, this is obviously an interesting timing of it all. You are coming here in the midst of a third-round battle for us to try to qualify for the World Cup. You mentioned something interesting to me. We met earlier at lunch.
Yes.
And in regards to looking at 4 years, as opposed to just like 4 to 6 months in the qualification, you said you have more of a 2-phase plan.
Yes.
I wonder if you could just explain to the reporters and the guests in attendance.
Yes, of course. What I just said to you was that we have a 4-year plan, of course, but I build it up in 2 pieces. The first piece is to impact and to have results. Everybody knows that we're playing 4 games, 4 finals, and we want to achieve what we want to achieve. And after that, it's to build and to implement. But first, the most important thing is to have result and impact.
Okay, so that is the first phase, and that would be your first goal, to qualify us for the World Cup. In regards to the qualification and what follows after that, and say that you do achieve this goal, what would be the next phase of your plan?
Well, that's what I said. You have to build and implement the way we are going to train, the way we want to achieve the goals that we want to achieve. Also, the under-23 is also very important, because in 2 years we play also the Olympics. So there's a lot of things to be done. I'm very committed, and my team is very committed to achieve every goal. And that's the mindset that we need to have all together.
Allow me a moment to translate some of the things that I'm saying. Yang saya nanya adalah mengenai kontrak yang Coach Patrick mendapatkan, yaitu 2 tahun dengan opsi untuk perpanjang 2 tahun lagi. Coach Patrick ini perspektifnya adalah 2, terutama dia masuk sebagai pelatih utama di ronde ketiga di kualifikasi Piala Dunia ini, di mana ada short term goal, yaitu untuk kita bisa menggarap poin dan qualify untuk Piala Dunia. Tapi itu hanya menggunakan sekitar 6 bulan. Sementara setelah itu ada implementasi untuk persiapkan tim kita untuk bisa main di Piala Dunianya. Jadi ini sebenarnya ada 2 fase, di mana fase pertama adalah meraih kemenangan, meraih poin, di mana kita bisa kualifikasi. Tapi setelah itu juga sampai 2026, nah ini adalah plan keduanya, bukan hanya sampai 2026 di mana kita akan main di Piala Dunia, tapi setelah itu gimana kita bisa melanjutkan journey-nya untuk Olimpiade atau enggak Piala Dunia berikutnya juga. And I think this is an interesting, again, as I said, an interesting time